guys. So absolutely no idea what this is. Sent from CIGMAN, an early Christmas present. So I'll not waste too much time and just get stuck in, see what we have. So it's double wrapped. So CIGMAN were the guys that sent out Lazer level. Oh wow. So it says CIGMAN Merry Christmas. And we've got a wee bag. I know the wife will love this bag. So these are the guys that sent out the Lazer levels that worked absolute wonders on the door frames and slip sills and many other things. And this is going to be straight away knee pads. So thank you very much for that. There's jobs coming up where I'm going to really need to protect the knees. I think this is a stocking or a hat. Yep, that's a Santa hat, guys. So put the knee pads on and put the Santa hat on. Oh, it's beating me. Oh, what's this then? So the CIGMAN Lazer level. So quite a present indeed. Let me see. Take a quick look at that, guys. So there we are. Little Lazer level. I'll have to set that up and get a proper look at this, guys. Thank you very much, CIGMAN. And the rest, there's a big pile of money in there. No, definitely not. So just a lovely message from Jackson from CIGMAN. So thank you, Jackson. It's much appreciated. I'll do a follow-up video on this Lazer level, guys, and we'll get that on show. Self-leveling. So thank you very much, CIGMAN. And again, there's going to be many more videos where CIGMAN tools come into play. As you can see around here, there's still floor to go in, and many more jobs. I'll probably use it for long, getting the tops of the legs of them heads, the archives, the trims on nice and level. But thanks very much, CIGMAN. Merry Christmas to you guys too, and Merry Christmas to all my subscribers and supporters.
What we do in life echoes in eternity.